Hi friends and welcome to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. In childhood we have learned the poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Of course this is not the little one, this is a slightly bigger one. But mind you, I will show you the steps of making this particular 3D star with this big size paper so that you will understand the process very clearly. Once you understand this process clearly, try to make these kind of stars with small size of paper and with different colors. You will love them. These are very good pieces to decorate anything anywhere. So let's begin. So for making 3D star, I am making use of this particular craft paper, which is normal craft paper available in the market. This one particularly is of size 21 centimeters by 30 centimeters. So let's make this craft paper into a perfect square by our normal way of folding it and cutting it to perfect square. So just keep it this way, make a fold, turn it around, make the border, and simply cut it across. So I'm ready with this my craft paper with square size. Now let's make two folds, two opposite sides to each other. And one more fold of these opposite sides to each other. Right. We just open up, turn it around so that this particular edge is on the top side. So you keep paper with open edge on your side and this particular edge on the top side. Now we are having this border. Align this particular corner below to this border. Press this. So you are having this edge. Same way, align this particular corner to this border. Just align it perfectly. Press this edge. So now you are having this particular center point. Just mark it with pencil or pen. Now towards this point, this is, just remember, this is your open side, this is your closed side. You have folded this way as well as this way so that you got this particular point. Now to this point you have to bring this corner and fold it. Just align this corner with this particular point you have marked and fold it firmly. Just remember, making 3D star is a very simple thing. You only need to remember these folds correctly. So just fold with putting this corner at this point and fold this edge. Now remember, you have to lift this corner and align this particular edge with this folded edge. So align it firmly and properly to this particular folded edge and press it hard. Got it? Now you have to fold from this edge, not this edge. You have to fold, uplift this and have a fold here at this corner like this. This is very important fold, which you are aligning it to a bit off-centered fold. So you are folding this with particularly this edge. Now you have to simply lift this and turn it to opposite side this way. So you have to simply turn it and fold it to opposite side this way and press it hard. Remember what you have done? This particular fold, after this particular fold, you have simply turn it to both these things to opposite sides. So on one side you are having this bigger portion, on the other side you are having this small portions. Now this is important, this side is important. Now take this side, turn it around, put this flat side on your side from where you are working and this triangular shape on the upper side. Now you have to make one small fold to this small portion, this particular portion which is out. You have to keep this edge and put it here and fold it like this firmly to this bottom edge and press hard and open it again. That's it. What you need was this particular fold. Just mark it with this particular edge by your pencil and your folding job is now over. Now you have to take a scissor and just cut this particular marking of your pencil. Just cut it. These all papers are best for us. Now this particular portion of our star is ready. Now just open it up. Again open it up. And open it up. And open it up. So that it forms a beautiful star shape. Now remember, to make it properly 3D, all edges should be protruding outside, which are on the corner tips. So we have to change these edges to reverse, make it as a reverse fold, so that your star will look perfect 3D star. So make this edge perfectly on the reverse side, make this particular edge perfectly on the reverse side. On the reverse side. Make this particular edge perfectly on the reverse side. This edge is already on the outside, and make this also on the outside edge. And all edges at the small size should be inside, so this should go inside. This way. This is inside, this way, and this is inside. So make all edges firm and all outside edges firm. So this becomes your star, which is a good looking 3D star. I had shown you by making it with a large size of paper, but if you make it with small size of paper, all those stars will look very nice. Hey, hope you must have enjoyed making star. Just remember to click on like button and please send me your comments. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. See you soon in my next video. Bye.